Hi, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Robert Andre. One question we often hear is, how do I know my tire switch is bad? A tire switch is a simple device that allows the car to roll over it, sending a signal to your controller, letting the controller know there's a tire there, doing things like tire placement for CTAs or fire a roller. The first thing you need to do to check your tire switch, you need to find the junction box where the tire switch is wired in, usually down in the pit. You're going to get your multimeter, and we're going to check for continuity. We set it to check for continuity, and you want to hear a tone so you can hear it. When the tire switch does not have a vehicle on it, you should get no tone. When the car rolls over it or you have an employee step on it, you should get a tone. With this switch, you'll see when I touch the wires together, I get a constant tone indicating that the switch has gone bad. There you have it. For more frequently asked questions, visit sonnysdirect.com/FAQ.